So what you may want to do is you may want to go around and then generate out meeting links for your class as well. So if I were to go around over here on the settings right here, the stream settings right here, then you can see that classroom meeting link is an option, and you have an option to make it visible for the students as well. You can also go around and access out the Meet link right here. You can click on the three dot button and dismiss this out as well. So if I were to go around and click on generate link right here, then what happens is that a link is generated and it is visible to the students, as you can see, and the students will be able to come to the class and hit the join button right here and access the meeting link in the class. So you can simply go around and announce to the class saying, please join the meeting link right here, just like this, and click on post to post it out to the students right here, just like this. If I were to go around over here on the class settings right here, then you can see that you can also disable this out so that it is not visible to the students right here. So it is not visible to the students, and then you can simply copy and paste it out right here, or manage it out right here, as you can see. So you can go around and make it visible for the students again and hit the done button. You can also go around and access out the Meet link, the same Meet link, by going around over here on Join Meet video call as well. And this is how you can go around and enable out the Google Meet link inside of Google Classroom so that you can conduct online sessions with your students. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe